Alright guys, so these are the low beams with the fog lights on. Highs really don't make a difference, but I gotta aim the driver's side up a little bit. My windshield is tinted to 35%. It's a full windshield tint, so I'm sure if my windshield wasn't tinted too, it would look a lot better. I'm gonna stop over here at the school and we'll do some shots of it in the dark here. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like. Like I said, I need to aim the driver's side up just a little bit. And then there's just the highs. I'm telling you, the highs do nothing. They're so bright. And honestly, I feel like the fog lights are a little bit brighter than the actual headlights. Now, if you want your headlights to be a little bit brighter with these, and that's what the LED bar is for, we're going to go ahead. So there's my high beams, and yeah. So if I want to click on my high beams, I'll use my LED light bar. Other than that, guys, this concludes the night view of the Alpha Owl headlights for 06 to 08 Ram 1500s.